Hi, uh, it's been a long time, and I'm aware that I'm slightly delayed with my delivery. The delivery was supposed to happen yesterday, but it's happening today. It's nearly a 24 hours gap. I'm sorry, App Daddy. I'm not sure what your real name is, but yeah, looking forward to have another call where we'll be discussing how where I'll help you with setting up the bot exactly and many other things, right? First, I am using Link as you requested. I have it locally running in my Podman, and I am using Lava SRC plugin, um, using which, what do you say? We'll be pulling up songs from SoundCloud and playing it. I have a bunch of commands, some of which you asked for, and others are utility commands which you didn't ask for, but I felt would be a good addition and would be useful to you, right? So yeah, let's get started. First, just to get to know what all commands are available. By the way, I'm using what do you say? DHB-V2. This is the bot I'm using. Um, yes, let's get started. Help. As soon as I run help, these are the list of commands um, which are here at the moment. Let's start with ping. As you know, just make sure the bot is live and running, right? The next probably important command would be is to see config, right? So you can do config view to see what all our current server configuration is at the moment. So let's say first I want to do, let me first create a channel, test count and test welcome. So uh, now the next step would be, and by the way, we can create another role. What do you say? Just to keep it fair, and maybe let me just mess around with some permissions so you can see the bot actually working. Let me give permissions again and again. So you can see the bot working properly and every other stuff happening properly, right? Now, okay, so once I've messed up with some permissions, let's come back. Let's mess with, okay, I think the channel permissions are already messed up. Let's first have a config channel. What do you say, config? Or maybe instead of public logs, let's me do test logs. This way you can see everything. Test logs. Okay. Now I'll do config set uh, mod log channel, and I can do test, what do you say, logs. Once this is done, it will create a webhook and using which it will set all the moderation cases. Next thing would be config, what do you say, set counter channel, and we'll do count. And final thing would be, um, what do you say, the join gate. No, the welcome channel. Uh, config set welcome, and I'll keep it test welcome. And let's do a config view. Once this is done, you can see you have updated all the things. For the other things as well, you can do the same, and yeah, the things goes on. You can do config set count or goal to, right now it's 10, so maybe you can do 13 just so you can see it. But yeah, and now let's see some other channels which we'll be using. I'll come to the music channels in the end, and for now let's see other channels. First one is slow mode. as the name suggests, I can do a slow mode, then set uh, 2 minutes, and yeah, a slow mode has been set. You can notice a tear. Since I'm an admin, I'm immune to it, and yeah. Now, let's, what do you say, lock this. I have lockdown commands, right? Lockdown. Now I have to do a setup. While doing the lockdown setup, I have to give the main role. Now, what will this do is that first set all the permissions of this role correctly as it's supposed to be, which is allowing this role to have the view and send permissions, disallowing other roles, and also disallowing other, what do you say, channels which are explicitly allowed, right? Once I do this, it will take a time because it's going through every single channel and it's setting up the permissions. Once this is done, you can see that it has modified 11 roles and modified 2 channels. Let's see what it has done majorly. Um, we'll just quickly go to the audit log, and yeah, just let me disable this. So you can see that all the permissions, it rightly disallows permissions from roles, also removes from channels, and then what do you say? Where is it? Where's member? Oh yeah, member was already fine. That's why it's not here. So this way, the complete server is set up properly. Now let's see how the server looks like first. Roles, view, view servers as role, add members. Okay, so this way, so as soon as someone gets the member role, they are able to see tunnels, else not. This is a very nice way to quarantine, which is set up by our bot. Okay, let's say this channel is explicitly allowed view permissions, just for the example, so you can see how lockdown works. So I'll go back and what do you say, roles, view server as role, and you can see I can not chat here. Okay, so let me explicitly also give permissions. So settings, everyone, rules. Yeah. Now, let's say someone wants to lock down this channel. So I can do lockdown. I can lock a specific channel for everyone, right? So this can be commands. So this will explicitly lock command channels for everyone, as I think as the lockdown suggests, right? And if you go with lockdown server, oh sorry, and if you do lockdown server, this will simply switch the permissions here. So it says 0 channels affected. It just, what do you say, reverse. It just locked down the whole, what do you say, the server. Now, next would be to again see what set of channels we have, right? It unlocked everything, and yeah. Oh yeah, I am trying with the wrong bot. We have to try with this one. Sorry. Now, you have seen lockdown. You have seen um, slow mode and purge. As you said, you also requested purge command. You can do 3, and then you can message type of purge you want. Let's say you just want bot messages to be removed. It will strictly remove just 3 bot messages, right? Hi, whatever. Now, once again, what now? Next thing, what we can try is that I'll ask, sorry, this one. I'll ask one of my friend, which is here in another server. I'll ask him to join this server. Avinash, you can join the server. This way we can test how other things work, right? Now, as soon as you see he has joined here, his name is Slayer. As soon as you see has joined here, you can see the welcome message sent by our bot here. So it says it welcomes my friend here to the server, and then it says an embed that hey, account joining 22 seconds. So it's a relative time, it keeps updating. So he has joined 30 seconds ago and his account was 4 years ago. So yeah, it gives a sweet welcome. And now I would ask Avinash to what do you say, send a message here. Yeah. Now, see, let's just see what was 10, right? So let's come here and you can see that the counter channel or the counting feature which you asked for also works. We'll just do 12, maybe 45, and it will send again it's wrong. Maybe some word, it will just ignore it. And if you just go with 13, which is our goal, it says congratulations, and the next goal will be incremented with plus 500. You can configure this to your needs. This is just a quick solution which I thought would be a good helpful for us. Going on to other cases, let's say my friend is being quite notorious here. I can give him a simple one saying that, hey, I like say you are uh, not following rules or whatever. I can just warn my friend here, and as soon as I warn, a case number is issued to the user, and the same is sent to uh, the logs channel, right? And once this has been shut, now similarly, let's say he's not acting, is being more bad. What you can do is that you can do a timeout, and then you can say, hey, you are still acting notorious, and oh yeah, and I can mute him for 2 minutes. As soon as I mute him, he'll that's also logged, and he can't send messages to any of this what do you say channels. Let me give him a rule. Remember this another thing. uh, yes, now again let me just unmute him. uh, Timeout, timeout, remove, and again my friend. Now, let's say he's very bad. I can just kick him or ban him. It's the same. I will not do it now. And yeah, as it demonstrate. For other things, few other things is that yes, you can get info of guild, which is our current server. You can see few things here. Then you can see info of what do you say of lava link. Let's go with that first. You can see info of lava link. You can see that the load is too high. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it's also running from quite a long time. So that's one thing. And then let's do info user, and I'll keep it on Avi. No, it's yeah, my friend. You can see that. So you can see his basic info, what are his highest role, different roles, highest role, his status, and his notorious things which he has done recently. And then you can also do cases. You can do cases recent just to identify what has happened recently in a server. It also includes other things which happened. This is all mod cases, right? And you can also do cases for a particular user, which is my friend again, and you can see just his cases what he has done with. Now, to get detailed information, uh, we can also have a case number with we can also get a complete case information here, just in case if you ever felt something went wrong, uh, right? So, yeah, this is about it. Now uh, let's again see what else is left out. So yeah, now we are almost done with everything, right? Now, I would join one of the what to say. Yeah, we have echo and all. You can try it out, or else I can show you now. So can do echo commands. You can just say hi, testing or whatever, and this will send an echo message here, right? If you feel this is wrong or you sent it to a wrong channel, you can also delete it and it will be deleted. You can see, oh yeah, timeout is removed. And now coming back, um, I'll join the general channel here so we can test out music. Uh, if my friend wants, he can also join here. Yeah. So yes, as soon as I have joined, I can go with the play and then I can search for Nefix, right? As soon as I search for Nefix, you can see what I was thinking, and the song will start soon. And let me reduce the volume just so we can discuss it.
Yeah.
I've reduced the volume at the moment so you can listen what I'm talking to right now. And yeah, I can pause the music. I can resume it again. And I can skip it. You can also, before, what do you say? Before skipping, you can take the cue. You can skip it. And you can change back the volume to 100. And you can also disconnect the bot. Yes. Uh, this covers almost everything you have asked for and a bit more commands in compensation to the delay, right? I hope you like it. There are few others. There are specifically two things which uh, were not done because there was some lack of info. Let me just pull that up. Yes, you asked for a game called Mad Libs, which you said you will give additional info. So, once you mark the order as completed, I would happy to stay and complete the Mad Libs game for you, and then trivia and would you rather. So, we would discuss how you want to implement that, and even that will be done. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Abnati. It was wonderful working with you. You are very understanding with the time delays. And yeah, thank you. Looking forward to the meeting. Looking forward to the call where I'll help you with setting up the spot. And yes, bye.